Hi, I'm attorney Christy Hernandez with Hernandez Law Group, and today I want to talk to you a little bit about how to get out of debt without having to file bankruptcy. Now, there's lots of ways to get out of debt that don't involve bankruptcy. A lot of people are really uncomfortable with the idea of bankruptcy and the impact it's going to take on their credit. So at our law firm, one of the things that we spend a lot of time doing is helping clients understand the debt settlement process. Now, debt settlement is really different from bankruptcy. You never go to court, you never go in front of a judge. Think of it as debt settlement is a haggle between your attorney and whoever you owe money to. And what we're trying to do is negotiate the cheapest possible amount that you can pay in order to get out of that debt. So, for example, let's say that you owe Capital One $10,000. Well, in a debt settlement case, what we would try to do is get you a negotiated payment amount. So maybe you end up paying Capital One a total of $3,000 and they agree to forgive all of the rest that you owe them. The great thing about it is we're dramatically reducing what you owe to the creditor, and you're never having to go bankrupt in order to get it done. You get a formal letter from the lender that becomes a contract between you and them that forgives that debt, so they can never come after you in the future. And the only credit hit that you take is on the missed payments that you've been making, and the fact that the debt was settled for less than balance owed. That's going to show up on your credit too. What you got to remember about settling debt is there's no way to get out of debt for less than what you owe without taking some kind of credit hit. So you're going to probably have to miss some payments if you do debt settlement, but the idea is that in the overall grand scheme of things, you're going to spare your credit quite a bit if you can settle the debt as opposed to bankrupting it. And your rebound time after settling debt is only about 2 years, whereas bankruptcy is going to last on your credit somewhere along the lines of 7 to 10 years. The other thing we do a lot here with our debt settlement clients is we do credit repair. So we're going to harm your credit a little bit doing the debt settlement, and then we're going to go in and try to repair that credit and see if we can get those missed payments removed. So hopefully, in about 6 months after your debt is settled, we've also been able to go in and fix some of that credit so that you're leaving our law firm without debt and without credit damage. If you're interested in learning more about getting out of debt without going bankrupt, our law firm does a lot of free consultations with our attorneys to go over what your options are for getting out of debt. At any of our 5 locations, the attorneys will do a 1-hour free consultation with you. If you want to learn a little bit more about this topic or about Hernandez Law Group, go and visit our website. It's www.hlawinc.com. That's HLAWINC.com.